Face down one time.
Rub it like it's hot.
And just a little bit on that side. Go with this side too.
What was the first one?
Huh?
What was the first one?
It was an L3 lift.
Nice.
Be more of just a pull. Face down one time. These tables are so different than the ones. Bring it back.
Oh, baby.
Bend here.
Oh, dude, that thing is gnarly. Oh, AC and Atlas cavitated.
Come back here. There's a pull in your elevator scalp.
Yeah.
What it felt like.
That's the Atlas. I don't get it just as much anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, damn. Whoa. Yeah, that was lit.
Still got these bunions, bro.
Some things don't change. They're more mobile bunions. Oh. It's like 15 years of cleats right there, bro.
Yeah, I was just about to say. He played DN, yeah? That's good. Take that right arm over your head. The lateral arm. Feel it right there. Try to keep that pelvis centered, right?
What's up, guys? Naked dude. Shoo! All right. All right. Got a little guy on the table. Here we go. V's getting crazy, dude.
That's crazy.
That's crazy. Oh, there it is. Good long breath. Good job. Like Ghostbuster sock? You got 2 socks on, right? 2 socks.
That's what happens when you pack it.
Yeah. Nice. 8-ball corner pocket. There it goes. You got L3 on me too, huh? This side up. Takes one to know one. We're listening to lo-fi copyright music on YouTube. One of the questions I always get, what music is playing? Right there, it's already moving. Got a pull. Let it go. There, even deeper. Face up. Second rib. Feel that?
Do what?
So you feel that second rib?
Yeah, it's hella tight.
Go ahead. I feel like I'm adjusting myself. There you go. Let's see. Occiput adjustment. After coming down, superior posterior. There we go. C2 is on the back. There we go. Ooh. Interosseous membrane between the tibia and the fibula. Right there is a spot. Sometimes you get these decavitated. There you go. Cavity is not a joint. Sound within tissue. My guy. Kaboom. Caro.
Sir.
There it is. All right.